All right, so we're out here doing a late job changing out a regulator. It's really high. It's 140 pounds, so we got to get it squared away. Luckily, it's not going to be, hopefully it's not that difficult. We got this pipe here that's flexible. And so it's not, I'm going to have to take this guy off because the new one's not going to fit. It's not going to, it's not going to connect here. Unfortunately, I was unable to get the exact same one, but this is okay. I'm gonna just take this guy off right here, and then I'll be able to put the new part, this part right here instead of that. And this is the new part that comes with a, it goes like this. Comes with the regulator. Okay, so this needs to be shut down a little bit better, so I'm gonna go and see tight. Make sure the shut off is all the way off. Good. Okay. Right. All right. Let me take that off now. That it can be hard to sand off, and then I'm actually gonna sand some of it off when it's a little hot. I can't. You gotta be real careful though, because you get burned. It cooled down already. Looks like I might have done it. You know, before you bind your, when you're buying your fittings, you know, like these guys right here, always try them out with the pipe, you know, at the store. Try it out, because sometimes just a little bit of dent on it, just a tiny bit, it's not going to work. So see how now that's really working good right there. But that's what I do. I always, test the pipe out with a fitting, because you don't want to walk out there and then you take it to the job and it doesn't even work. Yeah. You got to always like scarred up a little bit, your fitting. See this guy scarred up a little bit inside with the sandpaper. Okay. Put the fitting in there. Good to go. Flex here and make sure it's clean. The one thing I learned was that you got to make sure the flux is, the solder is not all like, when you haven't used it for a while, sometimes it gets kind of like a film on it, and you gotta sand it off, because it won't work. I mean, this is fairly good. It's pretty good. Well, I'll show you the difference. See the difference here? So I actually sanded this before, but you can tell how different that is. So that has to be cleaned, has to be sanded. This is not bad at all right here. Okay, I'm just doing a little bit. Sandpaper. Okay. So I'm pretty much there. It's pretty much there. kind of making sure, you know. Okay, that's it right there. Got a little bit, see if it went. Okay, see, I see a drop. It's kind of like it's there. I'm just gonna leave this. Okay, so I really didn't need to do that, but it's good. I could kind of see it in there a little bit too. So I'm gonna let it cool down a little bit by itself. All right, so I'm gonna take this guy off. Right, and I'm gonna crank this guy off. So I can get that off the. All right, so got that broken off. Put it on the side. And you put your tape on. Right. Okay, so I'll do this guy too. Alright, so on this one, we need to screw this guy on first. This is what we need to do first. And the good thing about these kind of fittings now that they're doing more of right here, they can rotate. You don't have to worry about holding it, with a wrench or something. This guy here like this. The other thing too is, I already looked at this, but just really important, you always got to make sure it's, the arrow is pointing towards the flow. Okay, so it's going this way. Arrow right here. All right, so we're all good. We got it set at 60 pounds. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, no problems. It's all done.